Hi everyone! I decided to surprise my kids with a little cafe after school. I started by making these menus on Canva by just using a simple template. Then I made some pumpkin spice syrup so they could make some pumpkin chillers. Made my own. Used whipping cream instead of whipped topping because I didn't have any made. Then added some milk. Here's the pumpkin syrup. It doesn't look great, tastes delicious though. And there's actual pumpkin in it too. Shook it up. It was absolutely delicious. I had to drink this myself before the kids got home. Then I made some strawberry milk with sweetened condensed milk, water, and frozen strawberries. Blended that all together and it looked amazing. Hard to capture the real pink in the video, but that's okay, you get the idea. Then we made some hazelnut croissants. They were super easy. I'm a messy chef, but that's okay. Put them in the oven. Sometimes I make these in the air fryer. They're even better, but I had a baby and was a little bit distracted, so the oven worked better this time. Set this up at the table for when they walk in, and hopefully they love it. We'll see. Mac was a trooper, and he played with this potato masher the whole time.
Mac.